Today we are looking at a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I have been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader and give you access to our private indicators, as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. All right, as I said, today we are looking at a 5-minute scalping strategy. This strategy consisted of two different indicators. One is going to be the linear regression candle indicator, and the other is the UT bot alerts indicator. From the source video, it claimed that this all-in-one indicator gave 100% accurate entries and exits, which is kind of a weird statement to make considering how it isn't a all-in-one indicator. It definitely used two separate indicators in this particular case. And so the video made a lot of very boisterous claims like they normally do. We did the 50 trade test like normal on this one. Out of those 50 trades, we got 7 winning trades and 43 losing trades. And so obviously the strategy isn't going to work out too well. So I just want to point out real fast, anytime you see a video that is using the linear regression candles indicator, it looks really good when you put the linear regression on chart and you turn off the actual price action, but when you dig into it a little bit deeper, you can see that it actually isn't nearly as good as it looks like. These moves right here, very similar to the Hakanashi candles, end up being very small moves, and that was the main problem with this strategy. And so the linear regression candles, even though it does have some purpose, anytime they put it on chart like this and turn off actual price action and then claim that this is a profitable strategy by marking out this area to this area, they are 100% factually lying to you. So that's it for this one. If you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, I'm going to link to our strategy at the end of this video here. It is a proven, tested strategy that we trade pretty much every single week. Has been profitable with lots of back testing, optimization, and constant tweaking and optimization of it, constant testing that we do on it. So that's it for this video. I'm going to cut it here and move on to the next strategy from here.